Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Fidos and this is my presentation about my internship. So, in this presentation, we'll talk about Autokin company, company backgrounds, my position at that company and what my development at the company, also a conclusion. The company's background. This company was established in March 1988. This company was located in Shah Alam, and this company also have a branch in Melaka at Al-Bajah. So this company is an automotive industry, which is they're focusing on automotive metal steering parts. Okay, this company also have a partnership with Produa, Toyota, and Honda. The main activities for this company is stamping and sub-assembly of metal components. In this company, they have several line or several department, like stamping line or E, H or F. So I was located at F department, which is handling robot welding. My position or my job scope in this company, so I have been an operator, running a cell, and then I try to be a maintenance member, which is try to troubleshoot the robot welding, and then I became a support leader because I have known how to troubleshoot the robot welding, so I become a leader with my work. And then I became a QC and PDI member, which is QC is quality control and PDI is pre-delivery inspection. Okay, and lastly I became an assistant leader, which means I do a leader's job, same exactly like a leader job. So for the beginning, I am an operator. So I located at cell B, which is running Beza part, Beza right part, UK 022 and 018. So this cell is running a Beza right part and also running an Asia part, Asia left part, which is the coding is a UK 012 and 004. This cell is making a front pillar lower and front pillar inner. So next, I try to run cell A, which is cell A is running Asia right part and Beza left part. Cell A also running a front pillar inner and a front pillar lower. So the difference between cell A and cell B, cell A is running Asia right part and Beza left part. For the cell B, is running Beza right part and Asia left part. So there have been no problem if those days want Beza part, so these two cell can run Beza part. So the next is I running cell C. I try to run cell C. Cell C is running two model, Beza and Asia. So cell C is more focusing on roof part, rail roof inner. This will run Asia, but this cell have three model parts for Asia. Beza, they have two parts only. In cell D, I also have been running, but cell D is more focusing on Asia part. Cell D is making center pillar inner part and center pillar lower part. They do the left and right part. On cell E, is more focusing on Beza part. So I also have been running this cell. They also running a center pillar inner part and center pillar lower part. They also running left and right. So for cell D and cell E, they have a little challenging about their part because their jigs have biggest and their parts more than another cell. After I have been run all 5 cell, I try looking for the QC part, which is where the nut welding must be placed, and also where's the main part and the small parts. After that, I try to be a maintenance member, which is try to setting robot at monitor if suddenly the robot is stop working. I also in this maintenance, I also try to changing tips welding. I try to learn. I ask my leader to teach me how to do it. After I know several things that I have been worked at that line, so I became a support leader, which means if leader have not in the line, I try to help my leader to troubleshoot robot changing tips or checking a fault part at another cell. And then after a few weeks, I have been out of line. Which I became a QC and PDI member, quality control and pre-delivery inspection. So my job is I'm checking all the part that have pulled on pallet that have been do by manpower or operator. Lastly, my job right now is I became an assistant leader, which means I'm doing all the leader's job, such as changing jet machine, record and output in the engine monitor, arranging manpower in line, which I arrange, where the cell have no manpower, so I try to arrange it. I try to find default part, and also I analyze on planning data. So methodology of my work, from the basis of the beginning, I try to achieve the output target, which is in 1 hour the output target is 30 pieces, so I try to achieve it. And then my process on my work is I'm learning from operator's work until a leader's work. And then I learn about data sources, which mean I try to understand how to read planning data that have been given. And lastly, responsibility, how I'm helping my company on achieve on target while I'm understanding about manpower's problem. So the conclusion part, this is have some declaration. Responsibility is accepting that you are the cause and the solution of the matter, which means I have a responsibility of my work from beginning an operator until I do a leader's job. Okay, so my internship concept is how I'm learning a new experience about welding a car part, where the car part is, and I try to focus on achieve target output, which means in 1 hour I have mass getting a 30 pieces, and then a result of my job from a beginner job until a little risk job that I do. And then a professional that I make is I'm taking a responsibility on my work that have been commanded, which means I try to be responsible on my job, handling a manpower and getting an achieve target. So the main conclusion, I had learned from below as an operator until I understood how to handle planning that had been built and discover how to control stock with output that had been running by operator workers. So after 8 weeks that I intern in this company, I learned from beginning. I try be operator. I work from beginning, which means I work from operator until I work as a leader, as an assistant leader. So I know how operators problem, how operators feel. So I cannot do a company target if the manpower have a problem. So I must be balanced or the two kind of things. That means I try to figure out myself how to control my manpower to achieve company's target. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.